joined us in starting up. Now, green buildings, eco-friendly alternatives and solar products, they were all on display at the Vishwa Show 2010. And clearly, Dhwani Desai had a rather eco-friendly week. Well, she experienced all these startup solutions and brings us that story.
Vishwa, a 3-day exhibition that took place in Mumbai recently, is a platform to showcase green solutions across various sectors. Tattoos made from natural colors, artifacts made from waste. Yes, the startup community was there in full attendance, showcasing innovation from remote corners of the country. Well, if contaminated drinking water has been an issue that's bothering you, well then here's a company that has designed the purest form of water, extracting it from air.
You got humidity in the air, so when you condense that humidity, it gets converted into the water. So you take that water and we purify that water also.
Honeycomb paper, another green solution made by a Bangalore-based startup, Vaspa, is into construction material made from recycled craft paper.
The concept is we are replacing wood and thermocol, so it is a highly eco-friendly product and it is also cost effective. And the application is in furniture industry, packing industry and in housing development projects.
Solar solutions, organic fruits and vegetables, organic clothes. Looking at all the innovation around, I decided to meet up with one of the startups myself and got some interesting and unique designs for my own kitchen.
So this is literally innovation at its best. Products made from earth and clay. Right from clay non-stick tawas to pressure cookers which are made from clay. And of course, mitti coolers and mitti fridge. An innovative concept which actually stores water and keeps the entire fridge cool. You can store vegetables here up to a week and milk up to 24 hours.
A fridge that needs no electricity, it works on the basic principle of water seeping through the pores of this mitti cabinet and turns it into a refrigerator.
ये गुजरात में बन रहा है और अभी इसकी कॉस्ट है 2500 रुपए और इसका बहुत सारा डिमांड है.
Vishwa's main objective is to connect innovators like Ravi Prajap from rural or semi-rural India and connect them to the market.
Vishwa show could be like an annual event where everybody comes together. But during the year, I feel there would be a lot of implementations, a lot of hand-holding, which a lot of people from the rural sector would need to reach them out, to bring the solution out towards the urban corporates. And I think that's what our focus would be.
A focus that's clearly making entrepreneurs and consumers smile.
And if you'd like any more information on any of the startups that we did showcase from this event, well, just log on